for this? Thanks. Spaced out a second.
Don't sweat it. Happens to the best of us.
How are we?
Getting by.
My pleasure.
Excuse me? Forgive me.